were kissing, there was full frontal nudity in the best shows. You can never look at any of my intimate scenes and say that this is vulgar. You can't blur the lines, you know. This is what I do professionally. I'm probably playing an Aisha in Guild 3 who's a sexy character. I'm
Mm-hmm.
showing skin and I'm kissing my co-actor on screen. That does not mean Navina Bole is going to remove her clothes and sit in front of you for an audition. She doesn't see a lot of adult TV. She watches cartoons. पहले लोग पोर्टफोलियो मंगवाते थे, अब वो इंस्टा हैंडल देखते हैं आपका. ये तो हमारी मिस्ट्री है, तो मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि who is behind the door, बट ये डोर के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा राज है, एक बहुत बड़ी कहानी है जिससे मैं जुड़ी हुई हूँ. Hi, this is Navina Bole and you're watching me on Bazooka.
यू नो गाइज, आज के हमारे जो मेहमान है बेहद खास है, क्योंकि मैंने जब बचपन में उनको देखा था, शी वॉज माई क्रश, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई वॉज इन स्कूल जब उनका शो आता था, मिले जब हम तुम, तब से मेरे क्रश थे. उसके बाद इंस्टाग्राम जब आया, एंड आई ऑलवेज सी हर पोस्ट वीडियोज. अब तो रील्स का जमाना आ गया, तो शी पुट सच अ ग्रेट रील. एंड आप कैमरा में देख ही सकते हो कौन है हमारे साथ आज है. नवीना जी, फर्स्टली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस,
Thank you.
उनका नया प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है.
Yes.
तो सबसे पहले उसकी ही बात करेंगे.
जी.
हाउ एक्साइटेड एंड हाउ नर्वस यू आर फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट?
I'm not nervous at all because I think we have a very winning and great project on our hands. The Door, the initial response to Door has been very overwhelming, very exciting, and I'm sure कि show देखने के बाद people are going to be even more happy, and so I'm not really nervous. I'm just super excited to see how the audience also reacts to Door.
द डोर की बात करें, दरवाजे के उस पीछे कौन है,
जी.
ये एक बड़ा सवाल है. क्या नवीना जी ही है दरवाजे के उस पीछे? क्योंकि अगर होते हैं तो काफी लोग खुश हो जाएंगे और काफी लोग आएंगे देखने के लिए. हु इज बिहाइंड द डोर?
ओके, ये तो हमारी मिस्ट्री है, तो मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि हु इज बिहाइंड द डोर, बट ये डोर के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा राज है, एक बहुत बड़ी कहानी है जिससे मैं जुड़ी हुई हूँ. और जो आपको पता चलेगा, जो सस्पेंस है, तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी है ये. जहाँ से शुरू होती है स्टोरी और जहाँ तक हमें पता चलता है कि ये डोर का राज क्या है और ये डोर के पीछे क्या है, तो उसके लिए आपको सीरीज देखनी पड़ेगी.
Do you like this kind of project? Because I have been seeing you very long. Like
Yeah,
it's
I
been
know.
very long. I have been seeing you.
Hmm.
मैं स्कूल में था तब भी मिले जब हम तुम आते थे.
नहीं, हाँ.
और उसकी चीटिंग तो मैंने भी कोशिश की थी. एक चीटिंग का जो सीन है, मैंने
Okay.
मैंने खुद उसके मेकर से बोल के मैंने भी ऐसे ही चीटिंग की थी
Okay.
मेरे स्कूल में. That time, now, how do you see yourself? Are you happy with the things that you are doing right now? How do you see your career right now?
Extremely happy with the way my career has gone. I am very, very happy to be in the OTT space and
Yeah.
doing amazing work in the OTT space, getting really, really meaty protagonist kind of character driven roles now, जो शायद टीवी पे मैं नहीं कर पाई. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अभी as far as my career graph is concerned and the kind of work that I'm doing. अभी फिलहाल में हाल ही में there's रिश्तों का चक्रव्यूह which is on
Yes.
Hangama OTT, which is a very, very strong role, which is something I've never portrayed before. And there's Guild 3, there's Guild 4, IMAX पे there's a show called V3 which is out, which is very interesting, and Avi, of course, The Door. So I think it's a great, great time for me.
And how much social media has helped you to grab projects, because it is such a big way
Yes.
to get casting. People knows you
Yeah.
through your social media,
True.
and casting directors see the numbers and how's the interactions with the
Yeah.
social media. So how much social media has helped you?
A lot. A lot. Of course, I think Instagram जो हमारे टाइम पे portfolios होते थे,
हाँ.
अभी Instagram है. Instagram is literally like your introduction to everybody now. तो I think आज पहले लोग portfolio मंगवाते थे, अब वो Insta handle देखते हैं आपका. So and I very diligently work on my Instagram page. I have a dedicated team. If I'm not shooting BTS or other shows, then I shoot fashion shoots, and I try and get a variety in my Instagram page also. I try and post every day, and I not that I'm posting only one kind of thing. I'm posting fashion, I'm posting bikini reels, I'm posting, those comedy reels, there are dance reels, there is BTS of the things that I do, there are events that I do. So it's a mix of a lot of things. My Instagram page, it's like literally it's like my diary that the
Yes.
world gets to open and see, and from what I choose to show them.
Let's do something special. If
uh,
if you are a casting director
uh,
and if you see your project, if you see your Instagram,
my profile.
what three characters would you like to give to yourself if you are a casting director?
Wow, I like that question. That is a different question. I would like to give myself, one character where I don't know if it's like if there's a biography on Jennifer Lopez, because
Okay.
she's like my idol. So if I get to play like an Indianized version of Jennifer Lopez somewhere, her life story, something on her, I would love to play that.
Yeah.
I would love to play somebody who has defied the norms of normal society, has believed in herself,
Hmm.
and done what she did fearlessly without really thinking what the society or what anybody else thinks about her, but somebody who's been true to herself and lived her life. So basically, I don't know, lived Naveena's life.
Love it as well.
And yeah, so just really strong, character driven women of today who believe in themselves and who are unapologetic and fearless, but also have their grace and dignity intact.
And now also you are mother, so
Yes.
that thing how much changed, how she tells you about the projects, about whenever she looks Instagram, and
Yeah.
now to she has grown up,
She's
so
6.
6,
Yeah, she's still young.
so she might have seen the Instagram or
She
something.
sees my Insta. She comes in my reels also so
uh,
many times when I'm shooting reels. She'll just come and she'll be like, I also want to be in it.
yeah.
So she's a very, very social kid. She's like a firecracker. And she now realizes that her mother is an actor because, when I'm watching TV, otherwise
Hmm.
she doesn't see a lot of adult TV. She watches cartoons.
Yeah.
So that is more of her thing. But I think now she's coming to terms with the fact that her mother is somebody who people know. She's an actor. We go out to restaurants and people come for pictures. So
Hmm.
now she's like, Mama, why do they want to take a picture with you? So she's
How much
getting
do
into
you
that.
enjoy your motherhood type?
I love being a mother. It is the best part of my life.
Hmm.
And we are more like best friends than mother daughter. I have a very, very cool equation with her. She's the love of my life. She's the joy of my life. And yeah, so I think she's the driving force behind whatever I do.
Yes. And how much erotical or the adult scenes have helped you? Because there are various types of adult
Yeah.
scenes right now in,
Hmm.
especially if I talk about India, हम
Hmm.
भारत में अलग-अलग type के हैं. So how much that helped you in your journey, and how much you are comfortable with those things, and how casting directors tell you about those things?
So basically, in the OTT space, I think we all know that there are certain envelopes that are pushed, there are certain comfort levels that are pushed. And when I started off, I was watching, Netflix and all, and people were kissing. There was full frontal nudity in the best shows,
Right.
but that is something I'm not comfortable with.
Mm-hmm.
When I speak to casting directors or when I speak to creatives, I tell them that there is a certain boundary which I draw when it comes to these kind of
Mm-hmm.
scenes, which I would not further want to go, and wouldn't want to go further than this. So there is always an aesthetic level to the kind of intimacy that I portray on screen. It is never over the top. It is never beyond my comfort level. I don't think you can ever look at any of my intimate scenes and say that this is vulgar or this is cheap.
Mm-hmm.
I think that I've always maintained that level of aesthetic as far as intimate scenes are
Mm-hmm.
concerned. And I think I have gained popularity because of the kind of OTT shows that I have done and the way I have portrayed intimacy.
Mm-hmm.
I think I do it with a lot of dignity and grace, and I think it looks beautiful on screen. I don't think there's cringe value in that
But
at
there
all.
is a certain boundary if the casting director cross that boundary. But you have spoke. I
Hmm.
won't ask you that
Hmm.
question. But apart from that casting director,
Hmm.
have you faced something like that with the different casting
No,
director?
no, no, no. So I have people who send me this on message that, oh, but you'll have to compromise. Oh, but if we are giving you this, what are you going to give us? So those people are blocked immediately. They are
Straight,
blocked. I
strict.
don't, yeah. I am very clear. about how I want to work and who I want to work with. So they just, I block so many people on Instagram also. So
Yeah.
many. Yeah, yeah. So people think because she's bold and I don't know, she's so comfortable showing skin, so her morals must be a certain.
That thing is professional.
Yeah, you have to not, you can't blur the lines, This is what I do professionally. I'm probably playing an Aisha in Guild 3, who's a sexy character. I'm
Hmm.
showing skin and I'm kissing my co-actor on screen. That does not mean Navina Bole is going to remove her clothes and sit in front of you for an audition.
Right.
Doesn't work like that. That is my character. You can't confuse the two. Doesn't mean Navina Bole is going to come and meet you on a coffee date. So there
Mm-hmm.
are people assuming all kinds of things.
Mm-hmm.
So I literally block about 10, 15 people on Instagram every day on an average. I see a comment also
So
which
after
is
5 years, you might
disrespectful.
be seeing yourself getting some award of blocking people so many times, or Guinness World
Yeah,
Record.
anything that upsets me in any way or disrespects me, they can go. I don't need that kind of negativity or toxicity in my life. Anything that makes me feel disrespected, or something that degrades me or trolls me, literally have no space for negativity in my life. So they just get blocked.
Where do you see yourself after 5 years? Like, do you have
Thriving,
any
thriving in my
plans, certain
prime. I
plans?
am just getting better and better, and I'm going to be doing a lot more work and a lot more interesting work. So yeah, I'm in myself 5 years, better version of myself in every way.
Do you do you want to see Mile Jab Hum Tum Part 2? Because now every serials are getting Part 2, a serial after
We
22
should.
years.
We
Uh,
should. We all should come back. And I think all of
you,
us look fantastic for our ages. We are all
Jas
killing it.
Karan,
Jaskaran,
Arjun.
Rati, Sanaya, Mohit, Arjun, Abhishek, all of us, I think, should come back.
Do you meet these people? Do you talk about this?
No, no. Very on socially on Instagram, maybe just a hi, because I think everyone's got their lives, their
Yes.
careers, everybody is busy. No one really has the time. We did have a reunion where just me, Rati, and Abhishek met up, but that was like a year back. Been a while now.
And what about Arjun? Right now he's
Yeah.
doing
Some
Rise and
reality
Fall.
show I've
Yes.
heard, yes. Arjun I meet socially sometimes at a party and all,
Do
but we're
you
not
don't
really,
see
no.
the reels of Rise and
No,
Fall?
no, no, we're not really
What
in that.
about you into social reality shows?
No, I'm not my cup of tea at all.
Why?
I'm not a reality show person at all.
Have you got offer before?
I've met somebody from Big Boss a couple of times, and I have gone also because it's work. But if I literally ask myself from my heart, I don't think I see myself in a reality show.
Not your
I
cup
can't
of
do it.
tea.
I can't. I'm a private person. I have a private life, which nobody knows about. It's not even on my Instagram. It is just my life, my
You
private
and
life.
your daughter, that's it.
Me, my daughter, my friends, my circle. That's my private life. Yeah.
Okay, before we end up this
Yeah.
session, what's the thing would you like to say to your fans who are just watching this show, and a message and something about your show?
Sure. So I would just like to tell my fans that don't judge, don't be judgmental, be kind, be nice, believe in yourselves, work hard, be consistent, and please go watch The Door. It is a great show. It is a very entertaining watch. You're going to love the suspense in the end. You're going to love the whole feel, the performances. So yeah, go watch The Door.
And just let me know who's behind the door.
I will.
Thank you so much.
Thank